Hi friends, welcome to the Microsoft PowerPoint Online 2016 video lesson series. In this video tutorial, we will be learning about PowerPoint presentation templates. So, as we have discussed in previous tutorial, in tutorial 2 or 3, PowerPoint provides various presentation templates. There is no need to design your template on your own. If you like any one of that template, then you can just use it on the fly. So let's see how you can use those templates in your presentation. So let's create first new PowerPoint presentation by going into this file menu, and there is a new button which is used to create a new presentation, and here are presentation templates. So if you want to create a new blank presentation, then click on to this blank presentation button, or you can grab one of these templates and start creating your presentation. If you want more presentation template, then you can just go to this more on office.com website, and it will open up all the presentation provided by Microsoft. So let's see how many templates are there. You can also browse by product like Excel, PowerPoint and Word, and you can also browse by category. So these are some categories provided by Microsoft PowerPoint presentation templates. So these are all the presentation templates. Now select one of these presentation template. It's all are free. Here it is the name of presentation template. Product is PowerPoint and it is free. So I'm selecting this badge PowerPoint presentation template because it is looking decent and quite professional. So click on this presentation, and here is some detail about this presentation template. We would love to know what you think about office.com. If you want to give feedback, then you can try this survey. I'm just closing it for now. So here is the detail of this presentation template. This bold modern design template includes coordinating fonts, colors and graphic effects so that the content you add coordinates automatically. The widescreen 16:9 format is suitable for any situation, business, school or home use. So to open this template in PowerPoint, click on to this Open in PowerPoint Online button, and this presentation will be open into my PowerPoint. Almost there, badge will be saved to your OneDrive. So click on to this Continue button. And here it is. My PowerPoint presentation is being opened in new PowerPoint window. So here it is, new presentation is created and the template is this badge template. So I'm just clicking and adding title, online education, anywhere and anytime. So this is my title slide. Now let's see how our content slide looks like. So I'm just clicking on to this slide and it will create content slide. So as you can see, all the font formats are based on these color combinations. So I have this font impact in this title, and it has color as per this template design. So let's add benefits of online education, and let's add some of the points. I've just removed my bullet points, so I'm just adding it again. you can learn online anywhere and anytime. No need to go to classrooms. So this is how you can create presentation using existing templates. You can also do all the things which we have learned previous tutorials, like applying these designs, applying backgrounds to your slide. You can insert smart art as well. All the things which we have learned in previous tutorial, you can do all the same thing to this template. But basically the design will be new, which we have selected in template. So this is about creating a PowerPoint presentation from existing template provided by PowerPoint Online.